Hello everyone, and welcome to our updates on the 24th of May 2024. So yesterday we saw a breezy, cool day with the cloudiest weather in the east and north and the brightest skies in the west and south even. Today, Friday, we're seeing the same story, although there'll be a lot less winds, and in the sunshine in those western and southern counties, it should feel quite pleasant. Now, into the weekend on Saturday, we see this next low coming in from the southwest. It approaches us on Saturday, which means that ahead of it, we will see the winds coming in from the southeast, and they may gust a bit at times. And into Saturday itself, we'll see some rain pushing in from the Atlantic Ocean, and this will be heavy at times, especially in Munster, and it will very slowly push northwards and eastwards. But as it does so, it will sort of fragment away and decay as it does so. Into Sunday, we sort of see that band of patchy rain over us first thing, but into the rest of the day, it breaks up into heavy downpours. Now the exact timings of these and location will be up for doubts, and we'll only really find out on the day of these showers where they'll hit. But just anywhere on Sunday could be hit by a downpour. And into Monday, we see westerly winds coming back in again. It starts off quite nice, but by evening we have patchy rain coming in from the west. That's the warm front, and behind that we see plenty of low clouds, patchy rain, drizzle, mist, and so on. So with temperatures then, as you can see, today was quite a cool day, with temperatures from like 10 to 15 Celsius, quite dismal. Yesterday was quite cool. Today, though, we'll see highs of around 11 to 16 degrees, a tad milder, especially in Munster there, with best of the sunshine. Into Saturday, starts off quite chilly in parts of the south there, under long clear spells. And by the afternoon, we have temperatures up to 10 to 16 degrees, this time mildest in the North Midlands and Ulster. And obviously because the sunshine moves there. And into Sunday, starts quite mild, and by the afternoon, temperatures quite dismal. Although, I must say, Sunday is now looking quite cloudy here. So that's why temperatures have been reduced. So highs then of only around 12 to 17 Celsius. Monday, a bit better in the east. And Tuesday, again, possibly scraping 20 there in parts of east North Leinster. So really not that great with temperatures. So here's the NAO index, observed forecasters. So currently looking pretty much neutral with the index, but it'll go back to weekly negative territory into the end of the month, into the end of May and start of June. So looking at the GFS run, so this low is filling through today and tomorrow, and into Sunday, this low over the weekend, this low comes in, and it gradually just sort of stalls and pushes southwards and eastwards into the week and fills. I would stay westerly really into the end of May. By the start of June, though, we're going northerly. Big change here. So the models are all over the place right now. They're really messy. Just a few days ago, they showed southerlies for early June. Now they're showing northerlies. I don't know what to think. Anyway, so GFS goes into quite a prolonged northerly phase here. Upper temperatures are just like dismal, really miserable, with a 0 Celsius coming in from the north, so that's not great. ECM is next. So the ECM, again, today and tomorrow, we see these lows coming in from the west, and by Sunday, that lows were over us, and by Monday and Tuesday, we're seeing more of westerly flow this time, with the highs to the south and lows to the north. Into the end of the month, we see this northwesterly flow coming in, not as cold as the GFS has it though, and by early June actually the Azores highs trying to come back, which wouldn't surprise me because of the exams. GEM is next, so as we know again, over the weekend, this low comes in from the west. At first, it's quite slow progress, but into Monday and Tuesday, we're firmly there into westerly winds and a strong influence from the Atlantic there. Into the end of the month, start of June, we go more northwesterly there, and start of June is just kind of quite dry, I think, but cloudy with northwesterly winds. So here is the UK Met run. UK Met again has this low coming right over us on Sunday, bringing downpours and so on. But into Monday and Tuesday, we're firmly into a southwesterly winds, so quite mild and warm, but very cloudy and damp. And by the end of May, we're just westerly. So we're sort of in a very high to the south, low to the north, standing westerly next week. Here's the icon, so very changeable icon. Again, we're transitioning into a westerly phase, as you can see. Quite a deep low then by Tuesday, Wednesday. That's quite deep, so wet and windy with that. Quite uncommon in May. And into end of May, quite dry, but still westerly. Arpege, last but not least. We do see this low coming in over the weekend, as we know. And that does introduce the Westerlies. So, fun days. Everyone, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.